What's up, everybody? You're back with the misadventures of tagging Stimp here.
With DNA Outdoor Adventures.
DNA Outdoor Adventures on the road to Blue Ridge.
To Blue Ridge, Georgia. We're gonna go trout fish the Toccoa River for the weekend. Hopefully have a couple of part series out of this.
If at all possible, we're going to try to catch some trout. Possibly do a catch and cook if we get the opportunity. And if the smallmouth bout is on, we're also going to try to hit up some of those.
Well, we've heard that there is a good population of smallmouth. So if the bite's on, you know, we'll get you a video of that as well. Hopefully, I'm hoping that it is. We have a couple of spots up here that we know that there's smallmouth in there. So it's all about just if they're hungry, they're biting, and then catching them.
But all in all, while we're here, we're also going to hang out with some good buddies of ours that we don't get to see a lot and spend some time with them. But we're going to take y'all along on an adventure and show you what's going on. Y'all hang with us and we'll have a good time. And just like that, folks, we are here fixing to start fishing. Our good buddy over here to my left, you might see him, you might not, I'm not sure, can't really tell. He's already caught several trouts. We're fixing to get in here and try some ourselves, our lovely abode for the evening, and we'll see what happens. So while we're right here, folks, let me kind of show you what I'm working with. I'm using this little pink nymph. Now Daniel could be able to tell you the name, or Stimp could tell you the name of all this and all that. I'm working it down to that pink strike indicator you see there on my fly reel. I'm going to try to cast it out and let it flow toward these pools. Now I know this spot right here in front of me looks a little rough, but this is what we're working with today. The water should lay down a little bit tomorrow, and we're going to be here for a little bit, so we'll see if we catch anything and I'll bring you back. Due to the muddy water and the fast flowing conditions, we decided to switch over to some spin reels with some imitated flies, imitated salmon eggs, throwing a small little crankbait right now, see if maybe we can get a smallmouth to bite. We're also seeing that we're catching some actual trout on these small crankbaits, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so Stimpy just caught one. Appears to be a brown.
Nice.
On our nice conventional tackle instead of using the old school stuff like what we've been using.
Ooh, I need pliers.
They're up in the bag.
Might be one to keep.
Now, as we get back,
Poor guy got in the ton. You got him with all 3 of those trebles.
now we are keeping these trout for dinner, so
Yeah.
please don't freak out on us. But
Oh, that's a nice one.
that is a nice brown right there.
Look at the coloration, man. Very pretty.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Really
trout.
pretty fish. Looks healthy. Yeah, it does.
Alright folks, so the river's moving a little fast today for us to get our fly gear to work the way we want it to. So we swapped over to some more spinning gear. We're on a little rooster tail, see if we can get a little action. I just lost one right as I got it up to me, but that's kind of par for the course for me anyway. But we'll see if we can get y'all.
Second one I've had on that came off. Damn, it came off, Stimpy. It's pretty quick, but it's not too bad.
Oh lordy, lordy, people.
You swallow it?
No, it's right in his mouth. It's just. Alright, he's unhooked. Now just gonna have to get it out of the net. Woo!
Well, Adam just hooked up on a pretty good rainbow trout. Once he gets the hook out, we'll get him to take a picture with it, put it on a stringer. Gonna be dinner tonight.
Mine, I could switch it like a boat bed every now and then, and it'll dig a little. Got on your square bill? No, I got
Fish on.
Oh, yeah. You want me to net it?
Yeah.
You got it? Seems like they're eating the rooster tail a little bit better.
Is that a brown? Nope, rainbow.
Rainbow, yeah. Nice rainbow. I guess I might need to switch to the rooster tail.
Yeah, this green pumpkin.
Stampy on with another one. Oop, 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 oop. There you go, buddy.
I think we might throw this one back.
This is a really pretty one.
Aaron just caught him a rainbow.
Little guy. You see all the the patterns on it?
Need to hammer that.
He just got off the hook.
That's good.
Yeah. There you go. See the patterns on it?
Beautiful fish. That is a tiny one.
Tiny one.
Cool deal is though, you know he's not a stalker. That's awesome.
Yeah, that one had to be born in here.
Oh yeah.
And he's also got the white tips on his fins.
Yeah.
There he goes.
There he goes.
All right.
You may release him.
Sure. Go ahead. He's in the net. Popped it on free.
Yep.
Got him. Nice one.
Yeah.
It's shaking. Looks like a good one. Definitely better than my one.
Oh man.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Oh, nice one.
No!
I knew I felt the bite. It was very subtle. Got him. There he is. Pretty fish, that red line.
It's really pretty.
You'll be okay, fish?
There
goes.
There you go. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Nice save.
Whoa.
Nice save.
Dip him in the water there for a second. No, he ain't 15 inches. He's 13 or 14.
Yeah, nice fish.
Mm-hmm.
What's up, guys? Well, this is kind of the wrap, the finale, as you would say, for the trout fishing weekend up here in Paradise on the Toccoa River. Big shout out, thanks to our good buddy Aaron for letting us come up and fish with him.
We had a blast.
So y'all be too in touch, because he'll be in a good bit of our videos in the future, hopefully. So, but for now, we're just sitting outside, enjoying the cool night air, listening to the river, just contemplating the weekend.
Yep.
Well, thanks again, buddy.
Had a blast.
And
Been a good time. We appreciate the hospitality and a nice,
Absolutely.
pretty place to stay.
Yep.
Y'all enjoyed the fishing?
oh, it was
Oh, yeah.
great. Well, thanks for watching.
And we'll see you next time.